Hey guys, I'm back. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be doing a video about Ohio nature and just random animals that I found. I've been actually collecting this for I don't know if this is like 30 or whatever, just here and there, different animals that I've seen around Ohio. So what I got in this video, I have the woodchuck, more commonly known as the groundhog, the Fowler's toad, southern two-lined salamander, Midland soft-shell turtle, and common water snake. And, as you can tell, I was looking up some of these names, specifically for the the Midland soft-shell turtle, which you'll see right after this white-tailed deer. Which the deer will just like wander in people's yards all over suburbia, so they're really common. Well, yeah, but anyway, I thought this was invasive because it was so large. I just thought it was someone's pet because I found it on the side of the road. Someone in front of me had stopped for it, and I just put it into the creek. What it seems like it's from larger rivers, so it's probably from the Ohio River, and somehow it got up here. But normally you'll find just like smaller, like just general like water turtles, like box turtles and stuff. And not in my creek, but I've seen in a friend's creek that he found a little baby, or he found some snapping turtles. And this isn't a rare or too extraordinary because at the camp I was working over the summer, they were raising a little baby snapping turtle, which can get very large, like more than 100 pounds, I think. Like yeah, very large, and yeah, so they can be found around. And right here is the common water snake, which I think I got a pretty good shot of it. What I didn't catch in this shot is actually, this is a family of raccoons, and there was a mother and two little babies, and I think it was maybe the babies or that popped their head out first in the trash can, and I was like fumbling to get my camera out, so it freaked me out because it was like midnight or something, and I was walking home. All of a sudden, there's eyes looking at me in a trash can just a couple feet away from me, so that was pretty funny. But here in this shot, this is a groundhog, and so if you ever hear of Groundhog Day, yeah, this is that. In which they look for groundhog shadow, or at least see if it's scared of the shadow. But anyway, so what's interesting about this? First thing, groundhogs are also not too common. Well, I hear about them sometimes at my grandparents' house in the area, but in suburbia somewhere, but not everywhere. And also, what's interesting is that house behind it is a Quaker house, or also known as the Religious Society of Friends. So if you know, like Quaker Oats, those Quakers, which is they're a very small religious sect, or just relatively speaking. So it's just very odd because this is frat row. Or there's a whole lot of fraternities around here, and this is right by in Ohio, the Ohio State area, so it's right near my apartment. so it's just an odd location. So yeah, this groundhog was just hanging out here, so I thought it was a pretty cool shot. And after this, I show a mole, and I'll be quiet because it's also funny just to hear the speaking around it.
Should I just wake it up? Oh, he's coming out a different way. He's coming out two ways. Guys, if you've already seen it, can you guys move out of the way? I haven't seen it. He's coming.
Hey guys, can you dig some away?
Dig some more?
Yeah.
Oh, watch out, guys. You're gonna hit it. Guys, I can't see it.
There we go. That's it.
Maybe. Guys, they're stepping on my foot again. Then you guys back up so Oscar. You guys, can you guys back up? If you've already seen it, back up. Yeah. I haven't seen it.
Take turns. Take turns.
Ow.
Taylor, you had your turn. Let someone else get in. No, let it be. Oh, get your hand away from it.
Oh, he's right here. It goes back. I can't see him either. He's right here. I can't see him. More digging, guys.
No, let it be. You have it open.
He's open. Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
So the mole doesn't come out again, but
Alright, guys.
what was funny was I'm working at this camp, and
He's
it was around this time,
He
and
just covered his hole back up.
I was at the basketball court in just kind of a recess area, and I see this doll, like stuffed doll, on the ground, and I go to approach it, and I find out it's not a stuffed doll, it's a mole laying belly up, and but it's funny because they're just so fuzzy, like cute that you like just coming up to it. They look like a plush doll, and so what I had to do is I had to stand over it to make sure like none of the other like really little kids saw, and like wave over one of the other counselors to go get a paper towel to help pick it up. And this is that toad I was talking about. It was just hanging around in the corner behind that door all day, and here's a salamander. And
that is rare.
Really rare to find. Like you don't really see them around. And we found
That's really cool.
this wall. We have layers of clay in our area.
It's such tiny
so it
legs.
was just in there.
How many toes does it have? 3?
3.
Well, no, it looks like it has 4 on the back.
That's adorable. That's really cool. Okay.
And here's a caterpillar we found on our just kind of like porch area. It was hanging around for a couple hours. So first we were like, oh, dude, it's really sweet. I was taking pictures of it. Then later, I found out that it was dead. It probably had like a parasite in it or something. But anyway, it looked pretty cool. So that was a good shot. But anyway, so that's the end of the video. I don't have much more. And so I try to avoid just like vlogging about like personal stuff. But I did get some just good shots. So I just wanted to show you guys. So if you want to keep watching, just more just random shots that I thought looked nice or were cool for whatever reason. So what we have here is we just threw a packet of something called Funky Flames, and just the story behind it is it was like Christmas in July, so there was like a gift exchange. And my friend got this thing called Funky Flames. So what it is there's different metallics in this little packet that you throw into a fire, and
I didn't get it
kind of based up on how.
Oh, there we go.
Hot the fire, yes, is how big the flames are, but
Right there.
it does cool colors and
Right there,
blues
right
and
there.
greens and pinks and stuff. So that looked pretty cool. Then
like green
after
and
this
blue.
shot, I have a picture of this.
Oh man,
really
that's
weird,
really cool.
like Woody from Toy Story doll, which was just odd, like
Yeah, move
Walmart
then.
drunk go home. That we were getting when we were looking for some Nerf war stuff.
Yeah.
To buy.
There it goes.
Because we were running one, and then after that is there was these guys in Star Wars costumes.
Yeah, you go over here to
They
look
would
at it.
be on opposite ends of the road, and then they would switch on lights, and like they were guarding, and they had a laser tag gun. So it was an advertisement for just the laser tag place near there, but it was really cool. So I thought that was really funny. So here you go.
Yep. Yeah, it's just not in the hottest part of the fire, though. That's the problem.
Yeah, it's right there. The packet's right there. No, it's still going. You see the blue?
They're
Anyways, that's it, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to just let the music keep playing. The song's a Bolero, which I really like, and it's a good long song for long videos. So actually, I probably should have saved it for one of the ones where I just talk forever and ever instead of actually a video. But you win some, you lose some. So anyway, have a good one, guys.